Microphone check. 1, 2, 3. What the do? What's up? Oh, I'm drawing this. What's up, guys? I want to see an official Happy New Year to everybody. Happy New Year to everybody, man. I really hope that this new year brings a lot of joy, prosperity, a lot of achievements. But guess what? All of them things there, they can't come unless you work towards them, you see me? So no matter how you're gonna say, oh, I'm gonna make my New Year's resolution and I'm gonna do this and I'm gonna do that, you can't accomplish anything unless you do, unless you try. Yeah, you can't. What the fuck? Oh. You can't. It doesn't feel like shit. You can't accomplish anything unless you try. Nothing beats a trial. So for this year, what I want everybody to do is to try. You see me? I want everybody to try and accomplish something. That's what I want everybody to do. So we're taking a different road today because I want to show you guys some new scenery for this video. And also let's talk about what we want to do for the New Year's, or what do we want to see out of the Paradise Biker channel for the new year. You see me? For me personally, a matter of fact, I want you guys to comment what you want to see. I want you guys to comment what you want to see out of this channel, the Paradise Biker channel, you know, and you know, just drop your comments down there in the comment section, let me know. For me personally, what I want to see out of the channel, or what I want to do, yes, I the big belly. What I want to do, first and foremost, I'm getting rid of this bike. Yes, a lot of you guys already been saying, Paradise, we are going to do with that bike there and I get rid of it. Well, I've already posted the bike up, you know, for sale and everything. So yes, I'm getting rid of this bike. I should have went down that road. Now this will look nice. Yeah. So first and foremost, we're gonna get, dude, why you stop in the middle of the road? We're gonna get a new bike to start out the channel. Not really to start out the new year, but for the new year we will get a new vehicle. You understand? I can't give any hints, I can't say nothing, but just know that for the new year, new bike is coming. Also, I want to go on a lot more ride outs. So I want to go on a lot more ride outs. Currently at the time that I'm vlogging, a ride out is happening. Basically the ride out has happened by the time I release this video. So basically it's a ride out that Learn to Ride, which features Jordan, who is a motorcycle instructor basically, and some other folks who I've linked up with. So they're going on this nice little ride to Ochi. I want to go on ride outs like those. You see me? I want to go on long ride outs. I want to meet a lot of new people. I want to introduce a lot of new people to the Paradise family. I just want to branch out a lot more this year. 2022 I didn't do much of that, honestly. You know, I've been going through a lot, and I might not say it in the videos, but I've been going through a lot basically. I should be taking the right turn, but I'm not. I'm gonna go left. Been a while since I've been up here. Anyways, 2022 I didn't do a lot of collaborations. 2023 I want to accomplish that, but just as I said earlier, you can't accomplish any of those unless you try. You understand? Oh my god, you gotta try, bro. Hello guys. So basically guys, up here is where I started the ride out for, I'm gonna stop right here. So this I really have to up your name again. So me up Narbrook Raver. So this up this will take you to basically what is the name again? Well, anyways, this is the bike, guys. Yeah. So as I mentioned, for the new year 2023, I really want to accomplish. I really want to do a lot more collaborations. So you know, I see some newer YouTubers out there. I want to collaborate with them. You know, do some videos. Oh, my tire soft, man, no man. And all of them good things there. Another thing that I want to accomplish for 2023 is also more reviews. So I want to do a lot more reviews on new bikes. So not just the Yang bikes. I'm gonna make a video on why I'm not reviewing Yang bikes as much anymore. Right? I'm gonna make a separate video on that. But I want to do a lot more reviews on different bikes. 600cc's, 4-wheel bikes, dirt bikes, a lot of those things. I want to involve those stuff more into the channel. So I don't want the channel just to be about the Yang bikes, small bikes. I want to involve the big bikes. I want to involve everything, because this bike is not just only about, it's not just only about 2-wheel bikes as well. It's about 4-wheel bikes, quads. It's about bicycles as well. Anything that has to me, what drives me is anything that has a motor. Bicycles are nice, yes, I'm a love bicycle and them thing there, you see me? But anything that has a motor drives me, you see me? And that just make me happy on a whole. So anyways, yeah, wow, this is a freaking nice shot, yo. Look at it. I also wanted to partner with some companies. So you have some bike companies that are there. I want to partner with them and see what we can do, because I want to involve my subscribers in everything that I do, because you guys put me where I am at. Even though I never asked for it, you guys bring me to the amount of subscribers that I'm at right now. I started this channel with this much subscriber, 0, right? And it grew and grew steadily, you see me? So thank you guys so much for bringing the channel where it is right now. Anywhere I go and people say, yo, you're a Paradise Biker, I actually say, no, we are Paradise Biker, because that's how I feel. I feel like, yo, the channel is not just about one person, but it's about the whole lifestyle, Jamaican, everybody combined. That's how I feel, you see me? That's why I have do I have one of the stickers here? Yes, Paradise Fam. That's why I make these stickers, Paradise Fam. That's the next thing I'll get to. So basically, stickers. I know that you guys have been asking about stickers. Don't worry, 2023 I'll bring out a whole heap more stickers, you understand? Because me want to ensure, say, yo, the brand is everywhere, not just in Jamaica, it's all over the Caribbean, because a lot of persons from different Caribbean countries, Dominican Republic, me have people that link me from Dominican Republic, Trinidad, Guyana, Grenada, St. Kitts, I think Barbados, bro, like Martinique. Like, yo, everybody will watch from these different countries. Big up on yourself, you see me? My audience is predominantly from Jamaica, of course, as expected, because I'm Jamaican and this is Jamaica, you understand? So more stickers will be coming out. I have these stickers, Paradise Biker, and I have these stickers, Paradise Fam. So the color, I will discuss that later on, but what I want to do is I'm going to find a company that can make good quality stickers. The reason I haven't been making stickers, guys, is because this company, them where I met them, they're guys. They're not making the stickers good. When you look, sometimes the stickers start peel off here, and honestly, I don't want to be distributing stickers that go all across the country, all across the world, and persons are showing me, say, yo, them sticker wash out, or, you understand? Their sticker is just not, it's just not the quality that I want it to be. It's not up to the quality that it should be. So because of that, I haven't been making stickers, so I will be doing that. You see me? Alright guys, we're gonna hop on the bike, get rolling again. See you soon. Alright guys, So back again. So those are a couple of things that I want to accomplish 2023. As I mentioned before, I want you guys to really let me know that what you want to see out of the channel. You see me? Want to do more reviews, want to do more link ups, as it giveaways as well. I want to do more giveaways. When we say giveaways, I mean in the sense like maybe not be able to give away an entire bike, but I want it to be in a way where I can give stuff that are not really bike related, because yes, the channel is predominantly about bikes, but more on the giveaways we have a lot more stuff in it. You see me? So that is another thing. I think I lost my train of thought, guys. Oh my God. As it relates to plans for the channel, guys, I want this channel to grow and I want it to reach a lot of people. Yes, as I was saying, the fuck, bro? Where you rushing to? I want to do a lot more educational content as well. So I want to do a lot more content that helps you to learn more about bikes and, you know, all those stuff. So that's one thing that I've slacked off a lot on this year. Like, no, not this year, but in 2022 I slacked off on a lot of educational content. In 2023 I will be making a lot more educational content. So basically I'll try to make one educational video per week, basically. I have a feeling that the bike here yeah, I tell you, I have a feeling that below the bike here. Yo, the devil is a liar, you know? Me see the bike and me turn back and me say, me have a feeling that me know that bike there, you know. I'm just a blog and a chat and say, me know that bike here, you know, me hear the bike rev up.
Yeah, you don't know.
Oh, that in the house?
Don't know, rootless in the building.
Yeah, man, active same way, you know.
Like, share and subscribe.
Bad bro, this, you know. Yeah, man. Man himself, people. Yeah, man. Me there make a New Year video, bro.
That is it, man.
Go through some stuff on my resolution and them, you know, them normal stuff there.
You know,
Ray. Yeah, and this kind of in my goals too.
that is it. Yeah, so how the tour come along?
It good, you know. Other one, yeah? No other one, yeah. Me didn't even know which one. Me didn't even know which one, bro. See, me didn't even know which one. Good man, me back, me start wear shoes and them thing there, you see me?
That is it, man.
Yeah, man.
Glad to see you what man.
Yeah, brother. Yeah, man, just do it for the brother. We there go and do it for the ones who can't same way, don't? Yeah, man. Yeah, brother.
Safe on the gravel, you know what I'm saying?
All the time, bro.
Try and keep safe, you know what I'm saying?
You too. More than me. My wife there, is she that? Hey! What? Hold on. Wind down that window, you know? So wait, you never just pregnant the baby born already? Oh, the backside. Oh my God. It's a boy, right? Oh my God. Oh my God. Sweetie. Oh my God. You don't look no more than 10 days old. 7. Oh my God. He's so cute. Yo, please don't. You guys don't do me this. Don't do me this. Oh my God. Wow. You didn't. I don't have no phone anyway, so. Anyways, y'all are gonna make me cry. Yo. That's so sweet, bro. Making me have baby fever. Oh my God. Ooh, that's a nice color. Ooh, nice. Alright guys, so back to the video, if I can remember all that I was saying. Oh my God, yo, that baby is so sweet. Oh my God. Anyways, as I was saying guys, I want to be putting out more educational content this year 2023. I want to do a lot more reviews. And when you hear me say I want to, it's not I want to, it's I will. Yes, it's I will, not I want to. So I will, and I will again. You see me? I have some personal stuff that I want to accomplish, and I will. You see me? The freak? You understand? Getting a new bike is one of those stuff. Of course I'm looking for something higher in CC. I'm not looking to go back to a 250 or anything like that. Higher CC, and that's where we'll end it. You see me? Also next year, what I don't want to give you guys too much teaser, but I'll be doing a what the I'm not accident this. I will be doing a bike giveaway in 2023. I will be doing, what I'll try to do each year is to do at least one bike giveaway each year. You see me? That is what I'm working towards. One bike giveaway every year. You see me? One bike giveaway every year, and I think that should be good enough for you guys. And as well other additional giveaways. You see me? Nothing too bossy. One bike. You see me? Give away like helmets. Cause he might ride without helmet. You see me? I tell you something, you know, if me have a helmet on my bike back, and see, let me tell you, you know, if me have a helmet on my bike back, you know, and me see one of ride as a bike as a ride without a helmet, you know, me I stop you and say, yo, take this now, you. You understand? Take this and go on with it. Protect your noggin, bro. Anyways guys, I'll be wrapping this video up very soon. Anything that I didn't mention, I'll be mentioning it in future videos. Once again, thank you guys so much for your love and support, even the ones who talk bad and talk down. I appreciate you. You watch the videos. You give me views. As much as you click the like, the dislike button, it doesn't matter to me. I don't watch dislikes. I respond GS there again. Oh, yeah guys. So, me I go make a stop here so and then go on foot. Yeah. So Jason end out the video. Jason tell everybody Happy New Year and yada yada yada.
We hijack YouTube.
I end it so no.